What the fuck is going on in your sprints? Seriously, that's the question that inspired me to build my hackathon project. What the fuck? Which just recently took home a win from the Waystar Hackathon. That's where I had the check from. So let me walk you through it and tell you how it went. The sprint rollover percentages is 30% on average. It can be higher. That's not okay. That's why I created the website called What the Tech, which helps you edit your sprint in order for it to be better and for the process to be less manual and tedious. What the Tech has 4 main features which can be accessed just within 3 steps. Register, upload files, and get the result. It's that simple. So here's how the website looks. This is the landing page. Again, it was made for the Waystar Software Development Lifecycle Hackathon, which I won, again, the 2nd place. And as we scroll, we can learn more about it. We can see the carousel with it. There's an FAQ, and it was powered by Gemini and built with mostly TypeScript and Next.js, as well as Next.js uses React on the front end, MongoDB on the back end for the database, and then Node.js and Prisma for the development itself. So again, you can access the website and the features in just 3 simple steps: register, file upload, and the tools. I'm already logged in on here, so I don't need to be doing that. I think I'm logged in. Yeah, I am logged in. So then we can go to file upload, and it takes us to this page where we can select any file we want, which I already have uploaded a sample file, which we can see on the profile page actually. And on the profile page, we can see my name, username, and the uploaded files. So now we can go back to the home page, and since we done the first 2 steps, register and file upload, we can go to the tools. Tools, we can go to Duck, which is the chaos and disaster prediction. We can click predict, and it will tell us the overview of the sprint, major risks, and recommendations on what can be changed for it to be better. So it goes to the AI, so obviously the loading is going to take a little bit of time. I tried to make it as fast as possible. During the hackathon, I was able to only decrease it by 4 seconds, so still not enough, but it is okay. It still works just fine. So here it's like a carousel which shows what has to be done. So in the sprint overview, it shows likely blockers, tasks at risk level, overview of risk score, and timeline confidence. Then here it shows major risks, and here it shows recommendations on what can be done in order to make it better. So this is I would say this page looks pretty good. And let's go to tools, and let's go to this one, for example, which does very similar thing. It just shows instead of showing what can go wrong, it shows some unclarities and anti-practices, which isn't as important, but if you want to have consistent and have good practices in your sprint planning, then this is a good thing as well to have to go through and check. Now that it loaded, we can see the descriptions and everything. We can see unclear descriptions, anti-practices, missing information, risk amplifiers, recommendations, and inconsistencies on this page. Then we can go back to tools for the last 2 tools for me to show. This one is Duck Probability, which is a Monte Carlo simulator with synthetic data, which shows what-if scenarios and runs the sprint 1,000 times to see how it will perform. So here we can see the base case, high complexity case, if there is many blockers, low team experience, and few other scenarios, like what would happen. And it gives, for each time it runs, it gives a sprint a score from 1 to 100, and then gives you the result of how many times it ran and how it performed each time. So for example, here it shows that the sprint was run 1,000 times, and out of those 1,000 times, 679 times it got a score between 30 and 40, which is pretty bad, but again, it shows for the many blockers scenario. And the last feature we can look at is Duck to Duck, which is basically sprint to sprint comparison. You can select sprint first. Also, I made it so you can upload it in a text file, JSON file, CSV, or PDF. in case that's something someone wants. So we can click compare, and it does the same thing, the Monte Carlo simulator, and it does it for sprint 1, sprint 2, and it shows the difference between the 2 sprints and what the difference is. So this is it for that project, which won the Waystar Hackathon 2nd place, in case I haven't mentioned already. So yeah, I will leave the URL and the code to a GitHub repo in the description, which you can look at. And thank you for watching.